A stealth monitoring security operator spotted someone approach a white pickup truck parked in a Dallas shopping center just after 3 o'clock on a rainy morning. The suspect took off his backpack and placed it on the tailgate of the truck. He searched through it and pulled out a tool which he used to pry open the passenger window. The individual reached his arm inside to unlock the door. He then hopped inside. Our operator, still watching the perpetrator, called police. An officer arrived and approached the vehicle. The suspect exited the truck and was directed to lie face down on the ground. The police officer placed the man in handcuffs and escorted him to the patrol car.